Hello everyone, welcome to Lance Fans of Gaming. We're doing part 6 for December Patreon of 2023. If you do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. This is for D&D prints, Warhammer proxy prints, and figure prints as well. And getting close to Christmas. I can feel it in my fingers and my wallet's already drained. Anyhow, let's start this out. We have Cal 3D Studio. I think we checked some of these, but we never actually look into it. So we got looks like a Tifa and stuff. We got Wolverine out of the vat when you get into his stuff for it. Here's a better looking one. Project X. We have Android 18 in a jumper. And I think another print from Wolverine. I think this is Beast. Samurai Beast. You got Dark Phoenix. And let's see here. We're gonna get Ghost Rider, Aztec Goddess, Elektra, Black Cat, Beast, Samurai, Wolverine, Maki, and Mizora for the December one. Next is Legion for December complete preview. For it, well, you got double. These are DC. This is Marvel. We got Miss Marvel. Looks like Psylocke, Mysterion, Black Bolt, Cyclops, Banshee. That's Apocalypse. Do not know who that is. No, that's Star Lord. Don't know which one this one is. And this one. Probably Silver. Forgot it. Silver. Not Silver something. It's the opposite of Black Scarlet. Black Widow or Natasha Romanoff. We have Doomsday. We have freaking the bounty hunter girl with the purple clothing. Forgot her. Bird Woman. Mantis. That is Raven. I'm guessing this is also Raven as well. We also got, can't really see the symbol. That might be Starfire. Forgot what this one was. So those are your ones for your Legion. For your minis, if you're interested. Let me see if we can go actually get the names. No, they won't give you the names for it. But we got better looking ones from here as well. Uh, Cast and play. What do we have here? For cast and play, we got the Shield of Dawn. Looks like a crap load of angels. And there's throwback. Let's start looking through some of these things. We got some soldiers. Looks like they look like paladins for it. And you got your Celestials angels as well. Oops. Yep. Save. Yep. Yep. Okay. Let's see here. A lot of them. Surprisingly. Griffins. Got a chariot with a Pegasus. That's actually kind of cool to print. Got some flying chariots. That's the first print I've ever seen with a flying chariot for any of a big ass base for it. PS miniatures. These are like proxies for like Warhammer. A lot of times, I know that we will be getting the Battles of Sisters. So you got your 4 Battles of Sisters there. I don't know. There's multiple different types because they like to cover it up. I don't like that. Next one is GM3D. Let's see what anime figures you'll be getting from GM3D. I think we already done this once. Happy. you're gonna get study as well. So those two. Next is Lost Kingdom. We are looking like we're gonna have I think Crone army for this is mostly for Age of Sigmar types for it. So we're pretty much gonna have I don't know if this is gonna be part of the Nurgle or I think this is Khorne, the Blood God for Age of Sigmar for it. Even though they kind of look like wearing Nurgle's army, but these are most of them are cultists and everything else for it as well. Like boils and stuff. Might be Nurgle. I really don't know. It's just the collar that they pick. It just keeps me like. But I think it's Khorne though. If a rotten host, so, yeah, it's Nurgle then. It's a rotten host then. Yeah, you got your Nurglings right here for it. Next one. One-page rules. We got vampires and dwarves. I don't know if we actually done this yet. I know we did for last month. I don't know. There's gonna be more of it, so we got more of it. So we have a mining rig with a drill, or a big ass cannon. For here, this is for like mostly for Age of Sigmar stuff. But yeah, you guys might enjoy it. Just to have something. Armadillo mechanics. You got your vampires and their undeads as well. I do want to play some more Age of Sigmar. It's just I just can't find anyone that plays it, and I don't want to drive 30 minutes to play the damn game. I want to like around my game area, but most of the people here play Magic the Gathering or Pokemon or Yu-Gi-Oh. But I do play Magic the Gathering, but I stopped buying Magic the Gathering because there's no value in it anymore. Some of the skeletons are pretty good. The bloodhounds are pretty good too. For it, do chariots. You have a vampire queen back there. Looks like it. Undead's coming out of the ground. And you have your dwarves on bikes, and you have a looks like a better looking armor for them as well. Pickaxe and axe and stuff. That's just pretty good looking. Beautiful. Armored up. Big gun. Yeah, these look more for like Iron Dwarves for Age of Sigmar. I think you can actually use these for the ones on 40k. I forgot they were called. You probably want to use this for 40k ones for the dwarves because there's a lot of weapons and stuff like that for it. So it might work. You got your ships as well. And your cardboard cutout. Next one is ES Monster. And for this, we did this one, I believe. It's going to be the better looking one. Oh, this is January reward. We don't want January, we want December reward. Oh, excuse me. Spicy meatball. Masuka and Kami for December. And we'll have one from Firefighters. I forgot. Fire something anime. For some reason it's not loading up for me. I think the next one will be the last one we're going to be doing. 3D Momo G. If it loads, let it load, let it load. God damn it. I think because it's downloading. Because I'm using wireless right now, and once it start loading the background, it's doing crap. I think that'll be it for today. We'll look at these two later. Next part for part 7. Well, if you guys do enjoy it, please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon Discord down below. Links are down as well. And I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day, guys. Bye.